Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to phonics class. Today is lesson number 157. Boys and girls, let's get ready to review our long combinations. Listen carefully. What is 2 plus 6 plus 4? The answer is 12. What is 11 minus 5 plus 3? The answer is 9. What is 12 minus 6 plus 2? The answer is 8. What is 5 plus 4 plus 2? The answer is 11. What is 8 plus 5 minus 2? The answer is 11. What is 3 plus 4 plus 2? The answer is 9. What is 8 minus 4 plus 6 minus 5? The answer is 5. What is 13 minus 5 plus 2 plus 3? The answer is 13. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing our long combinations. Now we're going to review counting our coins. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our coins. Before we can count our coins, we need to make sure that we order our coins from greatest value to the least value. Now, which coin is the greatest value? The quarter is the greatest value. Now, what's the next greatest value? The nickel, dime, or penny? The nickel is the greatest value next. So I'm going to move my nickels over. And there we go. Now my coins are ordered from the greatest value all the way to the least value. Now we can count. And remember, boys and girls, when we're counting a mixture of different coins, we need to make sure that we change our counting pattern. Let's count. 25, 35, 45, 50, 55, 56. So that is a total of 56 cents. All right, let's take a look at our next row. We have a quarter is our greatest value. What's the next greatest value? I'm going to swap places with my dime and nickel. All right, boys and girls, let's go ahead and count. Remember, change your counting pattern. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. So I have a total of 60 cents. All right, let's take a look at our next row. Let's order our coins from the greatest value to the least value. Oh, it looks like I have the same amount here. These are the same exact. Miss Sajor did the same problem again. So let's count it. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. And remember, this is just these last two problems were duplicated. So let's take a look at our last one. So which coin is our greatest value? All right, we have the quarters. We're going to go ahead and switch our coins. There we go. Now we can count. So let's go ahead. We have 25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. So we have 77 cents. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing counting coins with me. Now we are going to measure our shapes. I'm going to be using my big ruler to measure my shapes. We're going to go ahead and measure our square. Squares has 4 sides, and all the sides of a square is equal. So let's go ahead and measure it. So I'm going to line up my ruler. We want to make sure that we use the appropriate size. So I'm going to use inches and not centimeters. So I'm going to line up my ruler starting at 0 and measure. So this side right here is 2. 2 inches. So I'm going to write 2 right here. Now I'm going to measure the bottom. The bottom of the square also measured 2 inches. And now I'm going to measure the other side. The side is also 2 inches. And now let's do the top. And the top is also 2 inches. So remember, I tell you, a square has 4 sides, and all sides are equal length. So it's 2 all around. So let's add. What's 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. What's 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6. And what's 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. So my square has a total perimeter of 8 inches. Now let's measure our rectangle. Our rectangle also has 4 sides. However, two of the opposite sides have the same length. Let's take a look at here. Let's measure this side. This side is 2 inches long. This side is 3 inches long. The other side is 2 inches long. And the top side is 3 inches long. So the opposite sides are the same. For example, these sides, they're opposite of each other, so they're the same length. They're 2 inches long. This side are opposite to each other, and both sides are 3 inches long. Now we get to add. What's 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. What's 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 equals 7. What's 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3 equals 10. So my rectangle has a total perimeter of 10 inches. All right, boys and girls, put on your thinking cap. I have a thinking cap question for you today. Listen carefully. The distance around a square is 20 inches. How long is each side? I'm going to read it again. The distance around a square is 20 inches. How long is each side? Each side measures 5 inches. Remember, all the sides of a square is the same. So one side is 5. Here's another one that's 5, 5, 5. So if we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, we have a total of 20 inches. All right, boys and girls, that is our time for today. Have a wonderful day.